Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to send disappearing photos and videos in WhatsApp. This new WhatsApp feature also called View Once mode. Here I would like to send one disappearing photos from this phone to this phone using WhatsApp. So first open WhatsApp app, open the chat conversation to send disappearing photos or videos. Tap attach button beside camera icon. You can select camera or select gallery to pick a photo. Select a photo from photo gallery. Here you will find the new view once icon beside send button. Tap on view once button. Send photos and videos that can only be viewed once. For more privacy, your photos and videos will disappear from the chat after the recipient opens it once. Remember, people can always take screenshots. Tap OK. Now you will see the view once icon became green. That means view once mode turned on. Tap send button to send disappearing photos. You can see the image you sent in the chat window. In my other WhatsApp account, I already received that message. Let's open that message. When recipient open that message, he will see a text that says photo and a clock icon next to it. Tap on the view once photo. When recipient opens the media file, the text photo will automatically change to opened. When recipient go back to chat again, that view once photo disappeared. So these are the steps to send disappearing photos and videos in WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.